Here's a 2016 Lexus GX 460. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V8 engine, active front and rear anti-roll bar, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection calls the GX 460 easy to drive smoothly, yet moves quite quickly when you need it to. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.